Previously we learned AI image prompting. Now let's take things a step further. In this module, you'll learn how to transform existing images using AI. Instead of starting from scratch, you can upload an image into Gemini and ask it to completely redesign it. Change backgrounds, enhance styles, or turn simple photos into cinematic art. But it gets even more powerful. You can upload multiple images and ask Gemini to combine them. This technique is called image compositing. Place a person inside a futuristic city or a fantasy world. It's a fast way to produce unique visuals. I'll show you exactly how to give Gemini instructions that generate these completely new results.
Next module, we'll be learning how to create images from images, and also how you can create flyers. So we'll start with image from image and how to composite and combine two or more images. Also, you learn how to even change an existing image to another image, and also you look at flyer generation using AI. So from our first class, we have the tools. So from the tools here, you come to Google. So we're using the Google Gemini. We're using the Google Gemini, gemini.google.com. So you click on create image, like we did the other time. Click on create image. Then so now look at the two images I want to combine. So these are the two images I want to combine. So you can see it on the screen. So these are the two images I want to combine. So I want to put them into one design or one composition, without trying to manually put it together. And even if you have a design software, it's almost impossible to achieve it. But thank God for the use of AI. AI has come to really make work easier, so that you can combine images and to look perfectly fit. So these are the two images which I'm showing you on the screen. Then, so what you need to do, you can have your own two images that you want to, 2, 3 images, or for this tutorial we'll be looking at 2 images. And so just this is the final output of the image. Now, if you look at the introduction, you see I combined 2 images to make that introduction. Then I generated a video from it, just giving some prompts. And so, but if you want to also learn how to do that intro edit, that will be in our advanced class, where you learn advanced video generation. So, but for this class, I'll just show you how to composite 2 images, and also we do flyer generation. So let's just work on image generation. Then in our next module, we'll look at video generation. Alright, so these are the 2 images. So all you need to do is come to this plus icon down here, you click on it, and you click on it, you say upload files. So to show, I'll just go to the folder where I have the images I want to use. This image, so I want to use this image. I'll put it on extra large. So this is one of my picture. I'll use this. So I like it to load, and also use. So this is the second image I want to use. So I'm compositing this, combining these 2 images together. So now having this, so what will you write in the prompt? So depending on what you want, so what you can do is, I'll say use the image of the person, which is the subject, the person, and attach or combine it into the office room setup. So now I want to look at the position. How do I want the image to look in that composite? So the person should be facing the camera, smiling, should be facing the camera smiling. So then the quality should be 4K resolution. And because the studio already have its own setting, it has its own lighting, and everything, so I don't need to add some more details. All I just need, I just want to present the attached image, which is the person and the office room setup. So just to fit in the person into the studio. So I'm just giving you this short prompt. So, but I also wanted to add. Then also we have to also maintain a 16:9, but I want to use it for YouTube. 16:9 ratio. So I want to use it for YouTube. So if you want to use it for Facebook, you can say 1:1. Ensure that this is thinking, so there is fast, but there is thinking. So thinking will give you a better result. So just press this enter submit button. Can you see this? Now if you notice, I didn't even tell you to sit down, but also you need to also write that in your prompts. But Gemini just knows that, okay, I want to create something like this, and it just did me, even without me even telling that, okay, the attached image, which is my face, should be sitting. So this is how I created that video, that introductory video. So sitting and facing the camera. So I can also, so let's do another one. We'll change the position. So this position will be not sitting facing the camera, but like doing something on the desktop or on the laptop. I can still put, or just continue with this. I say, okay, create from the recent generation the person should be facing the desktop, working and typing and typing. So let's see what it will give us. So I'm not attaching anything, I just want to continue from this. Let's see what it will give us. So sometimes you don't need to attach anything again. So once you have a generation, you can pick it up from there, and you can create several things from what you have already created. Amazing. Can you see this? Wow, this is beautiful. You see? Still the same setup, but now I've changed the position. It's typing and looking at the laptop. So you can do so many generation from here. So now let's move over to flyer generation. And when you want to create a flyer, there's what we call mood boards. For instance, you want to create an event flyer, a program coming up, and so like that, or whatever it is. So there is a platform you can always get ideas. You can always get ideas on that platform. I'll use my picture just to demonstrate something with a flyer. So there are two ways you can achieve this. The first one is you just go to Pinterest. Go to Pinterest. Just type Pinterest.com. So if you are not signed up before, you can always sign up and sign. So you go to Pinterest. So once you go to Pinterest and you want to, let's say you want to design something like this. Let's use this one as an example. Jam is coming up. I want to design something like this. Let me make it larger. And we have a tutorial lesson that you want to teach people for Jam. And so if you look at this, it has some details here. And maybe you want to replace some of the details here. You like everything that is here. And you want to also customize it to your own. Maybe you want to put in your details in terms of you want to change the dates, you want to change the date and the time. So what you need to do here is you come here, you download this and download, come here, download. So once you are done downloading, you can come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to, you can upload what you just downloaded, upload it. Upload the image. And ask ChatGPT to give you the prompts for this flyer. So give me the prompts for this advanced flyer. So can you see ChatGPT is already giving me every detail. So what you need to do, you copy it. Just copy what is here. Copy what is here. Then you can customize it for yourself, depending on what you want. So come to your Gemini. And you can paste it. So let's say what you want to change. You can change everything like that, but just for this purpose, so that the video will not be very long. So you can change. So modern recreational flyer example version. So what do you want to change? You can change the color. Instead of green, maybe your brand color is orange. So I change the orange and white color to everything that is green. You change to orange. So you can do more editing on this. So you can change the title. Say change it to 2026, or let's say 2026 jam success 2026, just something like that. So then change this green to orange. Then so can change, put your price here to like 30,000 free. Then come change the dates to 26th of March. March 2026. So you can leave every other detail depending on what you want. So so put by this. So this is it. You have done your, so now just put enter. So you can put, just click enter. Wow, isn't this amazing? This is amazing. Now if you notice, it's still bringing in this screen. So maybe there's a portion here and not change. So, but can you see from this other image, we're able to create something very different that gave us entirely different from the original one. So you can also have a concept, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to just depend on what you want to design. Just go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you the concept of the design, and you can come to Gemini and then put in your prompts, and you have something entirely different created for you. So this is beautiful. AI can just help you to. So if you have a logo, you can put your logo here, and you're done. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and I will be glad to answer your questions. So I would like you to like this video and share it so that more people can see this tutorial video. So thank you for watching, and I believe you learned something today. Have a great time.